Hi all, I am Dr. Sneha Deshpande, working as a senior consultant at Mom Story by Sahyadri Hospitals. So today let's discuss something about adolescence. So what is adolescence? It is transition phase from childhood to adulthood. So that caterpillar to butterfly phase is associated with lot of changes, up and downs, and we as a parent should be able to cope with the changes and help our child to sail the boat smoothly so as to develop youthful future. So let's discuss what is puberty. So on an average, time of 10 to 12 years is commonly seen as a age of puberty in female nowadays. So puberty start with the development of secondary sexual characters in the form of change of breast size, change in the voice, sometimes height and weight suddenly increases, that is called as growth spurt, and development of hair on the private parts like pubic and axillary hair growth, and finally onset of periods or menses. So this is normal course of puberty. So sometimes it can start early and we say it as a precocious puberty. So if your child is getting sexual characters before 8 years of age, or if period starts before 10 years of age, we say it to be precocious puberty. So nowadays, common problems, girls come with their parents to me with the onset of early periods. Sometimes they may come as a irregular periods. So girl get period once and no periods for another 6 months. Sometimes she may get period every 15 days. Sometimes if periods start, then flow will be for 7-8 days continuously. So these are common problems, but it is because yet your kid has not grown into adult. Ovaries and brain produce some hormones. That coordination is not yet completed, and this will take 1.5 to 2 years to complete this procedure. Till that time, irregularity of period is quite common, and we should be worried about it if it is giving rise to too much bleeding as to reduce her hemoglobin. If she is feeling lethargic or weak because of periods, then we should be worried about it and consult our gynec. Painful periods, to start with, slight discomfort is common, but if it is associated with too much pain, girl may need to be absent from her schools, or she is not able to do her routine activities, so we should consult gynec. Sometimes she may complain about white discharge, so we should counsel her that it is because of some hormonal changes she'll get some white clear discharge, that is quite normal. But if it is associated with foul smell or itching, then she should consult gynec. At the same time, we should counsel her about proper menstrual hygiene, like keeping area dry, then changing panties frequently. All these things as a parent we should discuss freely with our kid. Acne. So acne is also because of flare of estrogen hormone at this stage, and frequent face washing, keeping proper cleanliness, or if she has dandruff issue, taking care of that will solve this problem. So these are common problems, and apart from that, emotional and mental stress, peer pressure, these are common problems nowadays they are facing. Communication plays important role here. Kids should feel free to discuss their issues with parents, and we as a parent should be able to understand their issues, should not be judgmental while discussing these issues with them, and we should help them to solve their problem so that they develop into healthy and happy adult. If you want to know further about this topic, feel free to contact us at Mom Story. Thank you.